Okay, and so you want to have a little give. You want the color to be a dark, beautiful avocado green. You don't want it to be hard where you can throw it and break a window. You want it to just crack the window. Okay.
Alright, so continuing on, the recipe now calls for chocolate-covered mulberries, but as we all know, something about a mulberry bush, so we decided to get some pomegranate seeds instead.
Chocolate covered.
It's, yeah, chocolate covered, of course. And last but not least, some chocolate chips.
That's right.
And
cocoa.
And cocoa powder. I'm going to grab that real quick now. Medjool dates. That's my favorite brand. Alright. And some equipment that you'll basically need. A blender, some measuring cups, a long-handled spoon, and of course, measuring spoons and your
the recipe.
Yes.
And the recipe.
I'm going to get the cocoa powder.
Now, the recipe did call for a food processor and a blender. So, we don't have a food processor because they cost over $200. So, we have a $30 blender instead, and we'll find out what happens once we try this little experiment.
Because we spent all our money on the ingredients.
Yes, we spent all our money on the ingredients, and the blue bag has disappeared. You didn't see that. So what I'm going to do to set up is the first thing we're going to whip up is the fudgy, chewy base. That's what we're going to do first. We need 360 grams of dates, which I have no idea what that means. And
Can somebody in the audience Google that for us?
2 tablespoons of tahini, 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar,
Conversion.
2 tablespoons of cocoa nibs, which we're going to use chocolate chips, and 4 tablespoons of carrot powder, which we're just going to use the cocoa powder. Well, Pegasus is lost in my 780 square foot apartment. I am going to put this on pause
Now for commercial
and
break.
help her find something.